So this is my theory demonstration for my BIMM assessment. So going to start with talking about the circle of fifths. The circle of fifths shows you how various scales are interlinked. So from, say, C to G, so you've got, and then you're at your fifth, and then you've got two scales interlinked. You can use this for varying things. You can use it for songwriting. Say you've written a melody, you can find your harmony lines, so with the fifth, so is your harmony. You can use it for writing chord patterns to find your dominant chord. So yep, that's that. Key signatures. Key signatures help you determine what key you're in, so you will have your clef, and then you will have a certain number of sharps or flats, and that will show you relative to what key you're in. You have your time signatures, so say you have at the beginning of a piece you have your time signature, then your clef, and then your key signature in music. So you'll have, say, standard is 4/4, and that's 4 beats in a bar, so 5/4, 5 beats in a bar of 4. You have various different ones, 3/4, 7/8, various things like that. It tells you how many beats are in a bar of how many beats. So, note values, you have your semi-breves, which is one whole note. So if you're playing a piece, it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. That's for the whole bar of 4. You'll have your minims, which are half notes. So you will play 2 notes in a bar of 4. You have your crotchets, which are quarter notes, so 4 notes. You have your quavers, which are 8th notes, and your semi-quavers, which are 16th notes, and you keep dividing it. You have semi-quavers, semi-quavers, the list goes on. You have your chords, so you have various different types of chords. You have major, minor, 7th, flat fifths, sus, and knowing what type of chord that, say, your guitarist is playing means that you can know the notes which you can play. So you've got your C major 7th, you know that you can play around with the notes in that scale. And scale, so if you get told we are in the key of C major, for example, just your basic, pretty standard key, you know that you have got the notes in the key of C major to play around on. You can base your fills, any solos, anything like that. You can base all of that on the key of C major. So, yeah. And other than that, you've got your note intervals, which can be measured in cents, steps, half steps. You count them up to 13 usually, sometimes can go higher. And that is about it. So